I'm gonna do unboxing, review, and shooting test with the Double Eagle M83 A2. Excuse my English is not the best, but I'm gonna try to do it. As you can see, this is a variable hub, so you can control the distance when you're shooting. This is a cheap gun. It's not very good. It's not strong. It doesn't have a good range and not too much accuracy, but it's good for beginners. And it comes with a lot of accessories. As you can see, there's a. Let me take it out. It's kind of heavy, and it's beautiful in its first sight. As I told you, it comes with a lot of accessories for a better accuracy. I don't know. It has some electronic sight. Off. On. Off. Comes with a kind of speed loader. What is flashlight? As you can see. Here's the charger. Not a big deal. The battery. Let me show you the laser. Yeah, right there. Grip. So with all the accessories, and I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna put the battery on and show you how it works. So you press this button. Same on the other side. Press the button. Take it out. Now I have something like that. Just put the battery in. This is the magazine right here. This is the release button. This magazine is kind of heavy too. It's a little bit heavy, but it's not too much capacity. It's just about 42 rounds. On with all the accessories on it. It looks really good. I'm gonna show you how to load that magazine with the Double Eagle low speed loader. I already bought some BBs. Let me show you how it works the speed loader. You have to fill it up. And at this point, yeah, right now it's full of BBs. So you put the magazine right there. Inside the magazine hole. Then with your other hand, you push it. Push it. That's it. This test is to show you full. Now we are in the shooting test. Got protection on my eyes, just in case that one of those BBs get mad at me because of my English. That's semi. I'm gonna go to full. As you can see, it works good, and for the price is just $45 on eBay, on Amazon, as you prefer. Video, and don't get mad at me because of my English.